Hey guys, it's Sean Lowry here, and today in this video we're going to go over some of the best online businesses to start in 2018 for beginners. Like I said, if you're a beginner watching this here, or like I said, you're not a beginner, you know what I'm saying, you might need to watch this right here, stick around and watch this here too, because I got some real good points I'm going to throw out there at the end for y'all. But like I said, if you're a beginner here in 2018, you want to learn some of the simplest ways to earn some money online here in 2018, stick around for this right here video. And I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to go ahead and show you these things. The first one, okay, you've probably heard of this one here before. The first way to do it, you know what I'm saying? Let me explain everything before, I'm pretty sure you heard about this right here. But eBay, okay, one of the eBay. I'm going to put it right there. eBay. It's one of the simplest ways for a beginner to make some money online. I mean, actually, you're making the money online because you're putting you're finding the product in your house, something that you don't use, you know what I'm saying? Like me, when I first sold something on eBay, I believe my first product I sold on eBay was like some old video games or something, and some of them went for like 20 or 30 bucks, you know what I'm saying? I mean, and a whole lot of other different stuff I sold, but stuff that you're not using around your house, and you will never make no money online selling anything before. That's the best thing just to start out with, to dip your toes in the water. You know what I'm saying? Sell a couple items, you know what I'm saying, around your house or whatever you got, you know what I'm saying? Some small stuff, and ship it out. You're going to have to, get you some, print out some labels. You're going to have to get some packages to put the stuff in, you know what I'm saying? There's a little bit more to it, you know what I'm saying? But it's kind of simple, kind of self-explanatory, post some stuff up on eBay and sell it, you know what I'm saying? That's one way. Okay, here's the second way. And it's through Amazon FBA. Called Amazon FBA. I reckon my writing's terrible, so y'all gonna have to bear with me. Now, Amazon FBA. It's kind of like selling something. It's kind of like you're selling something on eBay, but Amazon FBA. It's called fulfill. It's the FBA. The FBA means for fulfillment by Amazon. So that means you collect your stuff up that you want to sell, and you ship it to Amazon, and then Amazon sells it for you. That's how that there works. And a lot of people, this is called drop shipping. FBA, this is called drop shipping. I'm pretty sure you might be heard somebody say drop shipping, or you might have seen some ads on YouTube here or something, people talking about drop shipping items, drop shipping products, you know what I'm saying? And there is it's a kind of simple thing to do, but there's a process that comes along with it. I mean, you can there's different websites out there that you can go and buy products from. You can buy products from cheap at a deal, and then send them to Amazon, and they'll sell the stuff for you, But you got to be kind of careful with what you buy. A lot of people go to sites like Alibaba and buy stuff. I mean, some of the stuff's real kind of cheap. You buy that stuff, and I did it before. You got to go out and buy like a sample of the thing that you want to sell, and you get it, and you might mess with it for a little while and it breaks or something, because a lot of the stuff's kind of cheaply made over there or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But that's something that you might want to get into, you know what I'm saying? But it's a little, but there are some good products out there. You find the right products, I mean, you can make some real bank with doing this right here stuff. Like I say, this, Amazon FBA fulfillment, but you got to be real careful of some of the products and stuff that you choose and where you get them from. You got to do your research. You know what I'm saying? And all that kind of stuff. Okay, and I got another one for you, and it's here, and it is number 3. It's digital products. You can sell digital products. Like I say, I'm going over everything. All this stuff that I'm showing you on here is selling something. You know what I'm saying? Because the only way anybody's going to make money, the only way you're going to make money with anything online or whatever, you got to sell something. You know what I'm saying? Not unless you do some of them low cost, like do some surveys or different kind of other stuff that people's doing online, but they don't hardly pay you no money. But you got to sell stuff. If you want to make money online, you really got to look into selling stuff. You know what I'm saying? Selling different things. You know what I'm saying? And you don't really have to be the one to be out there promoting this thing like that there to sell it. There's other ways to do this right here. But number 3 is digital products. Okay, what's a digital product? A digital product's like something that's digitally transferred online and people can send you money for it. Okay, you can, even if, just say if you're watching this here and you're like a teacher, or you're somebody who likes to teach people different things, you can sell courses. You can sell actual courses online talking about stuff that you know a lot about. You can create a course on it and you can sell it. You can put your stuff out there and sell it to the world. I mean, sell it to other people that's interested in what you're doing. There's a site called Teachable. You can go to teachable.com, and if you got an idea for a course that you want to make up, you can go right on there. You can go to teachable.com, go right on there, and for free, you can create a course on their platform for free. I mean, they even got a place where, you know, people can send the money to buy the course and everything. They just charge you a little fee every time somebody buys a course from you. Depends on what you're charging for the course. So that's some great information for somebody out there that's got a course in their mind and they want to do something they want to do, but they don't know how to get it out there in front of people. Go to teachable.com, you know, and check that out, like I said, because that's digital products. You know what I'm saying? That's a digital product. Okay, number 4, this is one of the best ones. This is my favorite one. I'm going to go and tell you right now. This is my favorite one because this is some of the stuff that I do. Because I did all these, you know what I'm saying? I haven't made my own course yet and sold it, but I did the rest of these right here. Number 4 is affiliate marketing. You might be heard about it before. I spelled it wrong, but it'll be all right. It'll be all right. But number 4 is affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is just plain and simple, is you point people to other people's products, and when them people buy that product, you get paid for it. I mean, it's just that simple. There's no housing products. You don't got to keep stock of products. You don't got, I mean, all, you know, and most of the time, 90% of the time, 95% of the time, it's affiliate marketing. You know, if somebody's got a product, and their product's got like a affiliate marketing attached to it, you know, that product's a good product. 95% of the time, it's going to be a good product because people spend a lot of money in that product. You know what I'm saying? And plus, they're paying other people to help promote that product. So they put a lot of time and effort in it. So like I said, a lot of affiliate programs, you ever hear affiliate marketing or affiliate program, you know what I'm saying? It's most of the time legit because even Walmart's got an affiliate program. I believe Amazon, they got an affiliate program. Best Buy's got an affiliate program. So if you refer somebody to just say if you go on Best Buy, if you go to bestbuy.com, go on their site, scroll down to the bottom, and it'll say affiliate at the bottom or partner at the bottom of that, you know what I'm saying? Amazon's the same way, Walmart's the same way. And you can go in there and set your account up. And if you know somebody that wants a camera, or you know somebody that wants something from Best Buy, and they buy it through your link, or they order it through your link, Best Buy, Amazon, or Walmart will pay you a certain percentage of money because you turned that person on to that product. You know what I'm saying? By them coming to your link, or you showing them that product, or whatever. You just recommended it to them, you know. It's just like this. It's just as simple as this. Just say you went out to a movie, watched the movie was real good, and you went and told your friend and say, hey man, I watched this here movie such and such, you know what I'm saying? Y'all want to go see it. And hell, they go down there and watch it. When they go down there and watch it, they know that you send them and they send you money for it. They don't actually do that, but that's kind of about how affiliate marketing works. You know what I'm saying? If somebody goes through your link, or goes through whatever you put out there, you know, it's cookie to you and the money comes to you. They just send you money. You don't have to, you don't have to house the products. You don't have to physically send the products yourself or anything. It's all done for you. And what I do is I use these two together, affiliate marketing and digital products. You know, I find people that has digital products that has affiliate marketing attached to those products. So when these products are sold, I get a commission for it. You know what I'm saying? That's the best way to do it. Because I mean, you can do eBay. I did eBay. I like eBay. You know what I'm saying? I did eBay stuff. But you got to package that stuff. You got to ship it off. I mean, you got to go do other kind of things. When somebody orders from you off of eBay, you got to fulfill them. You got to go there. You got to package your stuff up. You got to make sure they get it on time. You got to, talk to them back and forth and let them know it's on the way and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? And like I say, and with Amazon, like I say, Amazon FBA, there's some problems that can happen with that there too. You know what I'm saying? But selling digital products online, I mean, there's just not really too much that can happen. You know what I'm saying? Not really too much that can happen. It's instant too. Once they pay for it, once they buy it, they already got it in their hands. So there's no complaints. They already got it. They already see what they got. And then some affiliate programs have like a, just say if they sell it, they want their, like a 30-day money back guarantee, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of the people, when they buy the product, a digital product, if it's a good product, they keep that product, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna drop down in the link below my number one recommended affiliate program. You know what I'm saying? This program, it's just not like just selling digital information. This program is really teaching you the basics of how to do it. You know what I'm saying? How to start a digital online business. You know what I'm saying? And kind of make money from really anywhere in the world. You know what I'm saying? Once you go through the course, you know what I'm saying, and get the hang of it. But I'm gonna drop that right down below this here video on my number one recommendation. And if you're getting any kind of value out of this, if you're new, getting any kind of value out of this, give it like a thumbs up, guys, or subscribe to my channel. It kind of helps the video out and everything. But like I said, these here's 4 ways right here. If you're a beginner online, these is 4 ways here that you can look into and kind of start. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, either one of these ways will work. Any one of these ways will work. Some of them's better than others, but any one of them will work. You know what I'm saying? All you got to do is if you just put your head down in this here, just put effort towards it. I mean, any one of these things can happen for you. You know what I'm saying? Any one of these things can happen for you. And like I said, some of them, like I say, just like the digital products and the affiliate marketing, that's more of like where everything's going. 2019 and 2020, when it comes, there's going to be more of this digital products and affiliate marketing going on, a whole lot more of it going on, because here recently a lot of people starting to get into, digital products because they're so easy to send to people. And plus, once this affiliate programs, like I said, you don't have to do the fulfillment. You don't have to even talk to people if you don't want to. You know what I'm saying? That's all your choice. You know what I'm saying? All you're really doing is kind of pointing the way. You know what I'm saying? Just like me right now, I'm trying to point the way to you to go down to the bottom of this video and check out what I have to offer with that affiliate program and just see what you think about it. But hey guys, like I say, if you got any value from this video, give me a thumbs up. Like I say, my name is Sean Lowry here, and hey, I hope y'all enjoyed this here video, and I'm out.